Before a buyer chooses a home, they need to understand the whole community. The neighborhood, the streets, the lot, the view, the available homes, the lifestyle around it. SmartPixel gives developers and home builders an interactive 3D sales experience built for new home communities. From there, sales teams can move directly into the buyer's decision, explore available homes, filter inventory, compare models, and review floor plans in real time. Buyers can focus on the specific lot or unit they are considering, understand what is available, and see the details that matter before construction is complete. With real-time controls, they can review sun exposure, orientation, and how each home sits within the project. They can also step into unit-specific panoramas that show the surrounding environment from the home's actual point of view. The experience also makes the surrounding area easier to present. Schools, parks, restaurants, services, transportation, and entertainment can be shown as points of interest, with walking or driving distances at 5, 10, and 15 minutes. Sales teams can keep the full presentation in one place, from renderings and images to videos, documents, gallery content, and project highlights. As buyers explore, they can save the homes and floor plans they like. At the end of the visit, they can send themselves their selected options, including unit numbers and plan details. For developers and home builders, SmartPixel turns new home communities into interactive sales experiences that help buyers compare options, understand the location, and move closer to choosing a home.